Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to watch YouTube videos on your Samsung Galaxy Watch. So here I have a Galaxy Watch 8, but it's the same also for the other Samsung Galaxy watches. And first you need to install on your watch the Samsung browser, and for that just go on Google Play. And here just search for Samsung browser. Okay, you can type only Samsung and then search, and here is the browser. If you have already installed, then just tap open, and here as you can see we have bookmarks. So you can search directly on these browsers or you can go to bookmarks. We have YouTube, Google and Samsung. Okay, and if you go to YouTube, you need to wait for a few seconds. And let's read, swipe inwards to show the edges of the page. Okay, and you can do like this. Okay, now then just read and tap accept all. I hope you see it. And here is the YouTube page. Okay, and here in the search bar, let's type something, for example, Rihanna. Okay, and as you can see, it's working. And also you can open the video. Skip the ad. And now I'm on the full page. And now as you can see, it's the full page. So it's working. I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.